We are near Lodi, half an hour south of Milan, in the middle of the Padan plain. This is a land of farmers, famous for its cold cuts and its cheese. This is where Grana Padano, a close relative of Parmigiano Reggiano, comes from. Today we'll reach the small town of Gugnano and its famous restaurant Osteria dei AMIS. This restaurant is run by the owner Mario and its family, and has become a bedrock of Lodi and Milan culinary tradition. Customers come here even from the surrounding cities to try their old-school recipes. Meals here in Lodi and its province have always been based on simple and poor ingredients, like beans and onions, always available to farmers. Here at Osteria dei AMIS, traditional recipes are given a new life, like their beans and onion salad with parsley and bell pepper. The key words are respect for the territory. Menu changes according to seasons and availability of local ingredients. Up to the last century, deli meats were a treasure for families in this area. Their consumption was rare and exclusive to great celebrations. Industrialization has recently made these products much more common, but these restaurants still buy cold cuts from small producers who work with traditional techniques. Their appetizers offer a rich selection of local products like wild asparagus, frittata with vegetables, and a selection of deli meats. You may also find seasonal vegetables and mushrooms. Their green sauce is prepared following a secret family recipe and must be spread on a slice of freshly baked bread. But the most iconic product of this territory is raspadura, a unique way to cut and enjoy Grana Padano cheese.
Tipico formaggio lodigiano, io glielo metto in tutti i piatti, sui primi, come contorno, come secondo. È una lama apposta per poterla raspare a regola d'arte, è bella soffice, si usa le mani per mangiarla, non la forchetta. C'è qualcuno che usa la forchetta, gliela porto via.
Obviously, we totally forgot Mario's instructions and ate raspadura with a fork.
Della cipolla, della pasta di salame, la vedete, e del riso Carnaroli, tutta produzione locale delle campagne qua intorno. Alziamo la fiamma, facciamo rosolare appena il riso, poi aggiungiamo il vino. Io uso vino rosso, qui stiamo facendo il risotto tipico lodigiano con la pasta di salame, vino, e poi alla fine mettiamo sopra la famosa raspadura. Aggiungiamo il brodo fatto questa mattina, brodo di misto manzo e gallina. Abbiamo puntato sulla tradizione, manteniamo la tradizione locale perché vengono apposta dalle città, da Milano, Lodi, Pavia, vengono apposta per mangiare questo risotto, i brasati, la selvaggina e poi la trippa, la cassola. La gavetta l'ho fatta tutta a Milano da giovane, nelle gastronomie, nei sotterranei, perché le cucine allora negli anni 60 erano tutte in cantina, tutte sotto. Abbiamo aperto un negozio di gastronomia a Milano sempre. Poi per la campagna io cercavo un posto, un'osteria, una trattoria, quelle vecchie in campagna, per poter fare questo discorso qua. Il figlio che cresceva, infatti è tornato da militare, e lui gli ho fatto trovare il lavoro pronto. Il risotto comincia a addensarsi, adesso manca poco e lo mantechiamo.
Rice has been a staple in northern Italy diet for centuries. What makes this dish so unique is the combination of ancient ingredients from this land, like rice, meat, wine and cheese, which all together create an exceptional harmony of flavors. Ravioli are stuffed handmade fresh pasta. In this version, their preparation takes quite many hours. The filling is obtained by slowly cooking beef in red wine until it starts to fall apart and releases all its flavors. Just like in any other authentic Italian restaurant, a little bowl of Parmigiano is always available for an extra kick. The restaurant also hosts an exhibition of traditional farming tools, from old box plows to hay rakes and cowbells. Some of these pieces of history are more than 200 years old. Meatballs can be found pretty much all around the world. In this region of Italy, they are called mondeghili and are probably based on an ancient Spanish recipe. They are composed of meat, bread, eggs and parmigiano. Mondeghili are fried in butter, just like the classic cotoletta alla milanese, the Italian equivalent of a schnitzel. Oil was almost completely absent in northern Italy up to 50 years ago. Butter and lard were the only available ingredients for fried recipes. cotoletta is cooked extremely thin, with a golden crispy crust made out of eggs and breadcrumbs. It's accompanied by mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes and, of course, some bales of raspadura. Mario and its family also prepare every dessert from the menu. This is the recipe for salame di cioccolato, which requires no baking. It's a mixture of butter, sugar, biscuits, pasteurized egg yolks, cocoa powder and a sprinkle of Marsala red wine. Once the dough is formed and shaped, it's tied up like a true salami and must rest in the refrigerator for 24 hours, until the batter hardens again. Desserts change daily, and you can also try their amazing tiramisu or some of their homemade jam tarts. Thanks for joining us in this journey into Lodi culinary tradition at Osteria dei AMIS. If you want to know more about Northern Italy food, please subscribe to Secret Taste of Italy.